gorgeous people. This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing part 2 of the Christmas and New Year's makeup collab. Guys, this video was supposed to go up yesterday, but I had no idea how much stuff I had to do for Christmas, and there was just no way I could work in getting this video done for you guys in time. So I'm filming it today, I'm editing today, and I'm going to post it today, so that should be a lot of fun for me. Nonetheless, guys, this will be the New Year's look that I'm going to be doing for you guys today. That's why I'm looking all crazy right now, because I did not have an intro prepared for this video. I didn't want to get myself ready just to do the intro and then have to take all of that off to have a starting point for the actual New Year's look that I'm going to do for you guys today. Hopefully that all makes sense. Now that I've probably thoroughly confused everybody, let's jump into this New Year's look. Okay guys, so here I am and I already got started. So I started with this Moonchild palette by Anastasia and I used the Blue Moon color as my base. So now I'm going to go in with this clean color palette that I recently got my Diva bag by Sonia. And I'm going to go in with this lightest shade. I'm going to use that in the corner of my eye. Well, both of my eyes. You know what I'm saying? Nonetheless, I started to go in with it and I gotta say that it didn't go on as good as it did when I swatched it, and I'm not sure if the highlighter that I used as my base is having an effect on it, but I end up going back in with some other shades to try to darken this up because it's just not looking exactly the way that I saw it in my head, but we're starting here. Here we are. So now I'm going with this Hollywood Glam palette by IBY Beauty. I'm going to go in with this gray color and I'm going to use that next. So I'm just kind of dabbing it on, guys, with my fingers here, and I'm just making a line because I want to use 2 more shades, so I don't want the line to be too super thick. Usually I kind of go thick on this middle part, but I'm not going to this time because I have 2 more shades that I have to fit on my eyelid. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the same palette and I'm going to use this, I don't know, it's like a maroon color, a maroon purpley kind of a color. I'm going to use that next and do the exact same thing. Just dab it on there really lightly and super thin. And then I'm going to go in with this Beauty Vault palette. I'm going to use this awesome electric blue color. It is so super pretty. And I'm going to use that on the outer corner of my eyes. Now I went in a little bit thick with this one because that's kind of the main color of my dress, I think, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, that's why I thought I should go in with this color a little bit more so than the rest of them. And I don't know, I wasn't liking it that much, but I ended up cleaning it up a little bit later. So now we're going back in with this clean color palette to try to darken up that first little area that I just did. And this still wasn't that successful. So I ended up going in with some more shades just to try to darken this up a little bit more so that it can look more like the color that I have in my dress. So yeah, this is kind of working, but kind of not working. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and top everything off with this glitter that I got in my Chicago Bulls custom palette from ColourPop. And I've never used this stuff before, guys, but I thought I could just dab it on over top and that the colors would still show through. And because it was liquidy, it kind of didn't work the way that I expected it to. But as you can see, I keep going with it. And then I take another look and I'm like, it's not really working. So let's add some more. Yeah. If it's not working, just keep adding more on. Maybe that'll make it work. I don't know. I'm not really sure what I was thinking here, guys, but I ended up trying to fix it later, and I think I fixed it sort of okay, but, you know, whatever. I've never used this stuff before, so clearly I didn't use it correctly, but it's looking okay. You know what I mean? So I go ahead and keep going, and I do the other side. Since it's not working, most people would just keep going, right? You gotta love me, guys. I'm like determined to make something happen. So I thought if I went ahead and did it, that I might be able to fix it. So that's why I kept going when it clearly wasn't working the way I wanted it to in my head. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the other shades that I had originally put on, and I'm just putting it over top of the glitter. Now, this ended up being somewhat successful, and I ended up liking it, so I just left everything the way that it was. Now, I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow stick, and I have no idea what brand this is, but I'm just going to use that on the lower part of my eyelid here, and just for that, like solid color on the bottom. I don't know, that's just the way that I like things. After I do that, guys, I fix a few more things, add some lipstick, mascara, all that fun stuff. And after I do all of those final touches, this look is done. And here it is. Woo! All right, guys, so I went ahead and darkened that up a little bit more, and then I just added some mascara. You know, I did my contour, added some lipstick, and I think that it turned out okay. It definitely matches the colors of my dress very good. Then I added this awesome fascinator that I got from one of my True Once Needed bags. I think it is so super cute. Some flashy earrings. Here's the full outfit. Oh my gosh, these shoes are fire with this outfit. Yes, I have a snag in my hose, and I did not know that till I was editing, and I so wasn't filming again. All right, guys, so this look turned out okay overall. I love the big, crazy wig with this. I think that it just adds to the drama that is needed for this outfit. I would totally wear this for New Year's. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that was a lot of fun. I definitely think that my New Year's look turned out a lot better than my Christmas look, although it's not perfect in any way, shape, or form, and I'm not like familiar with working with that glitter stuff at all, clearly, but I kind of like the way that it turned out when I added the colors back into my eyes after I like kind of wiped them off with the glitter, and then I just kind of reinforced it. I think it turned out okay. It matches the dress perfectly. I'm so lucky I had this dress in my closet. Why? I got an excellent deal at Gabe's. It was like $6, and I thought, why not? Maybe some point in the future I will have a place to wear a dress like that. I don't know, guys, but it's a super fun dress. I mean, I don't know, maybe I'll put it on one day and just go to the store. Why not? Nonetheless, I knew that this little fascinator thingamabobber that I got in my True Once Needed bag would be perfect for this outfit and perfect for a New Year's look. I mean, if I had a place to go for New Year's, I would definitely wear this. I'm going to be home, guys. There's no point in getting all dolled up and looking like this. I'm probably going to have a pair of PJs on, have my hair in a bun, and I'm going to be looking all crazy and like homeless or something, but you know, that's fine. That's how I'm going to spend my New Year's, and to be honest with you, I will probably sleep through the actual New Year. Like, you know, the countdown, yeah, I'll probably sleep through it. I have for the past couple of years, but we'll see. I'll try to stay awake. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, so that wraps up this collab. Please make sure, if you guys haven't already done so, that you check out all the other channels involved with this collab. I'll have links to their channels in the description box below. I'm sure that they came up with fabulous looks. I have not had a chance to watch their looks yet, but I plan on doing that later today. But I'm sure that they come up with fabulous looks, and you'll get a lot of really fun ideas for your New Year's Eve look. And if you guys do go out for New Year's and get all dolled up and stuff, please tag me in your photos. I would love to see what you guys look like. I think that would be super fun. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And I also didn't want to get ready again just to do the intro so you guys don't see my final look before the end of the video. Something in my eye. Okay, hold on. Hopefully that all makes sense. Now that I've thoroughly confused everybody and caused all kinds of craziness for myself, now, I didn't have an intro prepared, so that's why I'm looking all crazy right now, because I didn't want to get myself together to do the intro, then take all that off, and then just have, okay. I'm so lucky that I had this dress in my closet. Why? I'm really not sure. I think I got an excellent deal at Gabe's. I think it was like $6, and I thought, oh, why not? Maybe I'll wear it somewhere. I guess. Hold on.